Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding data bars, that is a conditional formatting option in Power BI. So with conditional formatting for tables, you can specify customized cell colors, including color gradients based on field values. So you can also represent cell values with data bars. You can apply conditional formatting to any text or data field as long as you base the formatting on a field that has numeric, color name or hexacode or web URL values. To apply conditional formatting, you need to select the table. You can see the conditional formatting that has been applied to this table. So we will do the same. We will go to this table visual. In this table visual, we will give this average force versus US and average height versus US. In these two columns, we will take and we will do the formatting. For doing the conditional formatting, you need to select the table visualization in Power BI desktop. On the visualization page, you have to click the right click or select the arrow next to the field. That means this arrow next to the field of the format, select the conditional formatting. So we have average floors versus floors in US. So you can click this arrow and you can see conditional formatting. And the same thing you can see here also, remove conditional formatting. If there is any formatting done, you can remove it. Now since we don't have a formatting done, we can go for it. Conditional formatting, and here we can select data bars. So since we have selected this column, it will be applied to only this column, and we got the data bars, and we can see the field value, that is average floors best the one that is in US, and we can see it as here. You can do it for values only, values and totals only. Now we will be setting it to values. So the bar direction also here it is mentioned. You can go for left to right or right to left. We will go from left to right, and we can give the color combination. I mean, minimum you can give one color and maximum you can give another color, and if it is a negative value you can give another color. So for positive bars we can give blue color, and for negative bars we can give a quite reddish color, and then let the axis be like that. So here show bars only, but we need to need the value also, so we will keep it like that itself, and we will select OK. And you can see here lots of negative values are there. All these negative values, you can see the color went back, and now all the positive values, the color have gone in the front, and for 0 nothing has been done. So same way you can do here also. Average height versus US, you can go here, click the conditional formatting, go to the data bars, and for the lowest we can do the same. We can give a separate color or something. We can give it as green, and for negative we can give it as quite yellow, and you can give OK, and see there also for negative values it is showing that yellow one, and for the positive ones they are showing as green, as well as you can see the value changes with respect to the bar size also. So the bar size, you can see it is with respect to the overall value size, because here the value size is 81 and they are calculated it with respect to 100, so it is almost close, and here it is 27, and it is not with respect to 100. They are just automatically taking it, might be taking with respect to 30. So anyway, the plotting of graph will be much cooler. So conditional formatting overrides any custom background or foreground you apply to the conditional formatted cells. And to remove conditional formatting from visualization, you can select the remove conditional formatting from the field drop down menu. Here if you select, you can see remove conditional formatting. You can do it for data bars, and if you have any other background color or something, everything you can remove it through here. So this is about data bars in conditional formatting. Hope it was an interesting video. Have a nice day.